In the last 24 hours, AVAX's price has plummeted by -5.49%, as predicted by Avalanche. The price of Avalanche was $39.73 at the same time last week. Since last week, it has decreased by -7.19% and is now priced at $41.54. During the previous 24 hours, AVAX experienced a decline of -5.49%. A minor adverse sentiment has developed on the cryptocurrency market. Long-term sentiment, on the other hand, remains positive, and AVAX may reach $42.89 by 2024. At the time of writing, the total circulating supply of Avalanche was valued at $365,444,570.44. Additionally, the market capitalization of AVAX stood at $151,147,128. Price analysis of AVAX. The AVAX weekly chart for the year 2023 illustrated a turbulent trajectory characterized by an ongoing struggle between bearish and bullish influences. The bears had a favorable start to the year, as AVAX encountered a substantial rejection at its peak of $20.95 in late January, instigating a decline in its value. Avalanche cost forecast. Avalanche has experienced a turbulent 2021. In order to streamline the most recent AVAX price forecast, it has been segmented into two distinct categories: short-term and long-term Avalanche price forecasts. At the time of composing this article, the trading volume of AVAX was 1,120,391,704. Avalanche has experienced a 110.53% increase over the last 30 days. As per our short-term analysis, the average price of Avalanche is anticipated to be $31.30 in February 2024, with an upper limit of $31.31 per month. Additionally, based on our long-term analysis, the average price of Avalanche for June 2024 is anticipated to be $32.92, with a maximum price of $35.22. Date of the Avalanche short-term price prediction: average price, minimum price, maximum price. December 29, 2023, 46.66 to 44.40 to 49.93. Towards December 30, 2023, $45.60, $42.40, $48.79. December 31, 2023, amounting to $45.22, $42.06, $48.39. January 1, 2024, $44.12, January 6, 2024, $43.64, January 40.58, and January 46. December 11, 2024, $42.48, $39.51, $45.46. February 2024, $31.31, $29.11, $33.50. January 21, 2024, $39.47,